Today we're going to take a look at the teenage brain and why you make the decisions that you do. There are two main parts of the brain that help in decision making, the limbic system and the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex controls rational thought. The limbic system controls emotions. These two parts of the brain don't develop at the same rate. The limbic system develops first. It's the part of the brain that controls that flight or fight response, your emotions, your quick decisions, and sometimes it's referred to as animal instinct. The limbic system is the part of the brain teenagers most likely use to make decisions because it is the part of the brain that is most completely developed. Now let's talk about the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is the very front of your brain and is the last part to be developed. It doesn't fully develop until you're about 25, but doesn't mean that you can't use it. It just means that you have to stop and think before you act. Take a look at this picture. The green represents more emotional thinking, or the purple represents rational thought. Right now, you're somewhere in the middle. So what does this mean? Well, basically, your brain is still under construction. It's still being developed. So before making a choice, stop and think, and allow your prefrontal cortex time to work. You have all kinds of emotions: happy, sad, angry, annoyed, confused, hurt. And yes, these might develop first. But it doesn't mean you should rely only on your emotions. Now, in your teams, you are going to read and discuss more about the teenage brain and the way that it makes decisions. Let's get to work.
Created using Powtoon.